first step you're gonna do is want to shake up your can real well, especially when it's, you know, boil 70. Paint mixes a lot better if it's thick up. It's like 40 outside right now, so it's not warm in here at all. And I've got this note cards all the way around it, so we don't have to tape off the tire because it takes way longer. And we're just gonna spray right in between it. And this should take about, I don't know, first layer of paint. Remember, you only need to get like 80% of it with the first layer. And so if you don't get it all, not a big deal. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a bit, and I'm gonna get these on the next wheel so I can just kind of bounce back and forth. All right, we got, as you can see, the note cards in the second wheel, and I'm just gonna hit that with the 80%, and we're gonna wait about 5 minutes. Go back to the first wheel, spray it down with the second coat, and then just keep hopping back and forth, and should be drying pretty fast. This is fast drying paint anyway, so. The key is just to not get runs. So you put on light enough coat that there's no running, and you're gonna be golden. So you come back up here, and we're gonna hit it with another coat. This time you wanna get more thorough coverage over the whole thing. So actually going back and forth across it all the way down is not a bad idea. Trying to get in all the angled pieces. So as you can see, that looks 20 times better than it did easily. And so we're just gonna wait a little longer, paint that one, and we're gonna switch sides and keep going. All right, guys, we got the note cards out here. This looks great, looks 20 million times better than what was there before. And if you come down here, you can see, got a little spray happy right along here, and I got a big run. I can sand that out and spray again, but I'm not doing it because it's cold. I'll do it later, most likely. And you come up to the front, and this I didn't get any spray happy. There's no runs on it. It looks fresh. But no one's gonna notice a little bit of run if you get some, because you're gonna drive this on the road. It's not a show truck. You know, you're gonna drive it out there, it's getting a little dirt on it, and no one's gonna notice. They'll just know you got black wheels that look badass. This side here, you can totally tell, it just looks like a Monomat. The whole side of the vehicle just looks bad. So then if you follow me over here, after we painted the bumper in the beginning of the video, and you come to this side, and it just looks 10 times more aggressive. I mean, just the whole side of the car. So there is no reason not to paint your wheels black. All right, guys, shake your paint up again after you put them note cards in. Go to town. Got the rim, and then just get the majority of that one. again, 80 to 90%. They're not worried about covering the entire thing. It's just a base coat. So like you can see here, haven't got inside any of those rotors at all. Haven't done anything. Barely gotten all of it covered. And on this one, it's about the same. So now we're gonna go back here, check the other side, see how dry it is. Still a little tacky. It's pretty much dry, but considering how cold it is, I'm not surprised. So this one can of paint is the grill, the front valance, the rear bumper, all 4 tires, and I'll probably still have enough to do these silver things right here. I can't decide if I'm doing just the silver part or this whole thing, but either way, this probably would be enough to do it, and all the emblems. All right, guys, as you can see out here in the light now, that looks amazing. And just doesn't get much better than that as far as spray painting the wheels goes. Then you come up here, looks fantastic. I think we did a great job. And remember, the bumper, the grill, the wheels, the back bumper, we did all of this for less than $10. Drastically changed the entire look of the entire vehicle. Guys, as you saw, we took it out in the mud. We took it out on the gravel roads. We did a lot more than we actually put here in the video, but as you can see, no chipping, cracking, anything like that. And this is 24-hour-old paint. It looks great. We got her kind of muddy, but still looks fantastic. So also with the grill, no chipping, nothing like that. So as you can see, it's quite a great way to get your wheels done without having to spend a lot of money. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you got any comments or anything you want to know, hit us up in the comments. If you want us to do something, go ahead and comment that as well. Just remember, this is a budget build. We're going to try to keep everything under $1,000 here. So thanks for watching. See you next time.